In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can use the Deriv cTrader trading platform, and also I'll show you how you can make money on the platform. Okay, so with cTrader, you can actually use the platform to copy the trade of other successful traders on Deriv, and you can use it to make money in the process. So on the cTrader, if you know how to select and copy the right trader, you can get to make a lot of profit from that trader, because any trader that you are copying his trade, and if he's making money from his own account, then you equally are going to make money from your own account. And if he makes losses also, the loss will also be reflected on your own account. It's just as simple as that. And the Deriv cTrader is just a new platform that was launched about 2 months ago by Deriv. So it's just growing, and in the coming weeks or months, I believe there will be a lot of changes on the platform. So what I will do in this tutorial is just to show you how you can use the platform for the first time or as a beginner, and how you can take advantage of the platform to make money for yourself. So this is very okay for those traders who are very busy or who don't know how to trade profitably, or even if you are just a beginner and you don't really have a good strategy. On cTrader, you can get to see a lot of successful traders and just select the right ones that will trade for you and make money for you. Okay, so before I get started, I want to mention that if you are just learning about Deriv, or if you don't have an account on Deriv, then you need to first of all create an account on Deriv. So what I will do is that I will leave a link for you to register on the Deriv platform. Just if you check the description of this video, I'll drop a link there. So you click on the link, it will take you to Deriv for you to register your own Deriv account, so that you can be able to sign up on the cTrader. Okay, now once you've created your Deriv account, you just log into it like this. So you can see this is on my browser. Okay, this is my on the Chrome browser on my phone. So when you log into your Deriv account like this is the Traders Hub. This is the first page you see when you log into your Deriv account. So of course you can say I have money in my account, but let's say you don't have money, then you need to deposit money first to your Deriv account, which is your USD account, as you are seeing here. Okay, so when you've deposited money into your USD account, then the next thing you need to do is that by default you need to sign up for the cTrader. Okay, so if I just scroll down a bit, okay, if you scroll down a bit, you see the different products on the Deriv platform. But if you come to this CFD here, if you click on this CFD, you see the other product on Deriv, which is the Deriv MT5, where you have the boom and crash, and I've done series of videos on that as well. But if you scroll down a bit, you now see the Deriv cTrader. You see Deriv cTrader, you see your Deriv X. Okay, if you are doing this for the first time, you may not see yours like this. You will just see Deriv cTrader, then you see a button to tell you to tell you to click on get. So it's because I've done mine before. So if you just see that on your end, just click on create button or click on the get button. Okay, so once you do that, automatically the cTrader will be created for you, and you see it like this. If I click on this open button here, all right, so you can see now this is my cTrader section here on Deriv. Okay, but for you to trade on the cTrader, where you get to see the various traders to copy from, then you need to download the app. So depending on your device, if you're using Apple, if you're using Android, okay, so you can see. So just click on the button here. So so for the first time, you just need to download the cTrader app on your device. But as you can see, I've already installed and downloaded it on my phone. So I'll just click on open. All right. Okay, now you can see that the cTrader has opened on my. So this is the app right away. This is the app on my phone. All right. So let's say you are doing it for the first time as well. If you are doing it for the first time, then the app will ask you to log in. All right. And if I go to my background here, if you come here, you see this is the app. You can see Deriv cTrader. So if you open it for the first time, it will ask you to log in. All right. So when you want to log in, just simply log in with your Deriv login details. That's your email address and your password. Okay. So now you can see this is my cTrader account, and that's what I'm going to show you now. For you to use the cTrader, you need to have the deposit on your account. So you need to deposit to your cTrader account, all right, because your cTrader account is quite different from your normal Deriv USD account, all right? By simply clicking on this deposit here. All right, so if you click on go to cashier, it will take you to your Deriv cashier for you to make deposits. All right, but let me do that from the browser. So if I come here, I'm back on my Deriv account now on the browser. All right, so what I'll just do now is I'll just scroll up. Okay, so just come here. All right, so I'll just click on my cashier here, then you click on transfer. Okay, so now I can transfer from my Deriv USD account to my cTrader. Okay, let me just transfer every amount here. So just to show you, so just transfer the $400. Just click on transfer. Okay, so you can see that my cTrader $400 been transferred to my cTrader. So I'll just now go back to the cTrader app. Okay, so if I click here, so I just click here, so you can see that my cTrader balance now is $410. So let me just get down with the tutorial. So now on the cTrader, you can actually use your live account or your demo account to copy trades. All right, so even if you don't have the live funds to trade, you can use your demo account. So by just doing that, you click here, you just simply select any of the accounts you want to use. So if you see one or two traders you want to copy, but you want to use a virtual fund just to see how the results would be before you put in your live amount, then you can perfectly do that. So now this table you are seeing here is the performance table, where all the strategy providers or the successful traders are being ranked. So this is like the ranking table for all the traders on the cTrader platform. So what you need to do in this table is that you just need to filter, or you need to just search for the particular trader that you would like to copy his trade from. So I'm just simply going to explain a lot of important features about this table. Okay, so the first thing I will do here now is that if you come to this top right hand corner here, if you see this menu button, just click on this button. Then you see what the rule says, filter strategies. If I click on this filter strategies, what you can do with this filter strategy is that you can use it to filter some of the traders, so that you just get to see some particular traders on that table. So you don't need to spend a lot of time looking for a particular trader you want to copy his trade. Okay, so now you can filter. If you check the first one, you can see you can filter live. So you want to see traders who are using their live account to trade. That's with their real money. All right, and if you come here, strategy age means that how long has this trader been using this strategy. All right, so I told you that this cTrader platform was created just about 2 months ago on Deriv, so not a lot of time has passed. So let's say you can just say any strategy greater than 1 month. All right, okay, so the ROI is just the return on investment. So how much has this trader made since he started using this strategy? So you can also select that from here. A lot of features just to help you to filter and to get a refined trader. All right, and the period, all right, the ROI period, how long has it been taking for him to make this particular money? The most important here is the investors. So how many investors are copying the trade of this particular trader? So you can see, you can select any a trader that has more than 10 investors or 50 investors. So you can just also do that just to filter as much as possible. Then finally here, the investor fund. So what is the total amount of money that investors has contributed to this particular trader's account? So that's what you have here. You can see greater than $1,000, $10,000, $50,000. So those are the important ingredients or criteria you need to filter. Okay, so this one here, volume fee, management fee, I'm going to explain them during the course of this tutorial. And now I'm back to the performance table. Okay, there are some features here that I would like to show you. Okay, let's say look at this first trader. You can see his name is EAFX1 and he's trading with his live account. Okay, and you can see, so this button you are seeing, this star button you are seeing here, is just a favorite button. So if I click on it, what it simply does is that it's going to bookmark this trader, because the table is long, so and you don't want to miss out. So just bookmark this trader. So if you now come to this favorites tab here, you will simply see the trader. You see the trader that you have already bookmarked. All right, and you can see that's EAFX1. I've bookmarked it. So this favorites tab, like I said, you can see that I have favorites of about 9 here. So these are the various traders that I have filtered, I have seen them, and though I am not yet copying them, but I just kept them in this favorite tab. So maybe I'm observing their trading and checking or monitoring their performance. So within time, if I'm interested in any trader, instead of now looking for the trader again on the performance table, you just simply come here easily and just start copying the trader. All right. And if you don't want to monitor any trader again, you can simply just unfavorite the trader. Okay, let me say this particular EFX one. So if you don't want to favorite him, just star it back and it leaves the favorite column. Okay, so this tab here, this copying tab here is just the tab. It shows you all the traders that you are simply copying their trade. So by the time I get to the end of the tutorial, you see that if I am able to copy one or two traders, they'll be listed here, so you can easily see them and check your performance. And even if you want to uncopy or unfollow any of the trader, you can just simply do that on this tab. Okay, so now if I go back to this performance table now, so let's just look for a random trader and just analyze his performance. All right. Okay, so you can see this trader. It says ABC. That's the name. That's the name of the strategy, but the name of the trader is called McGregor. All right. So you can see this is the graph, and I think I'm a little bit impressed with this. So I'll just click on the trader. So this is the performance page of this particular trader ABC. Okay. So now you see this is the graph. You see. Okay. Now you see this is the overview, description, history. I'm going to explain every tab for you just to get the full understanding how it works. All right. So now look at the ROI, all right, under the strategy stats. So you can see that this trader has been trading, I think, around 24th of May 2024, all right, and you can see that he has an ROI of about 8,000%, which is very interesting. Okay, so now if I come here under the equity tab, so this equity tab is just the graph of how the trader's equity has been growing. So the equity is the actual money that he have in the account that he's using to trade. So if I just scroll down a bit, just for us to see more information about this trader, so you can see the system says all trade in the last 90 days. But what I recommend you do is just come to this tab here, click on it, then just select all. So you just see the all-time trading performance of this trader. So just click on OK. Now you can see that the net profit is 976 US dollars. That's very important. And you can see the profit factor 5.77, and the commission, which is the money that this trader has made from the investors that is trading for, $71.72. So now I want to show you this important area, which is a very major criteria you must consider before copying any trader. Is the maximum balance drawdown. So you can see the balance drawdown is just 2.14%, which is very, very low. Very, very low. Though the timing is that the age of this account is still quite low, which is just 2 months. But so far, I'm very impressed with this performance. That's why I actually favorited it at the beginning. If you check my favorite tab, all right, you can see the drawdown is 2%, meaning that the account equity is not under so much risk for every trade that this guy trades. And he has taken a total trade of 254. You can see the winning trade is 214, and from this you can easily deduce the winning accuracy of this guy. So that should be 214 divided by 254. So this trader has won about 84% of his trade. So that's very impressive. And the largest winning trade is 119. That's the biggest amount is made from a trade, $119. And losing trade is about 40. He has lost about 40 trades. And the biggest losing trade is 23. So this is a very impressive trading history. All right. So let me just come here. You can see total PIP won 52,301, which is massive, very massive. All right, and the average pips won per trade 205. Okay, these are just important information you need to consider before copying any trade. Don't just copy any trade blindly, or any trader. You need to analyze the trade performance before you copy them. Okay, so now the strategy details. Okay, you can see here the currency of this account is dollars. Okay, there are some traders you see that the currency of their account could be euro or GBP or even Canadian dollar, so you need to pay attention to that. And the trader uses a leverage of 1 to 1,000, all right, which is still fair. Okay, now so let me explain this area. Minimum investment amount $200. So what this means is that for you to copy this trader, then you must have a minimum of $200 to be able to copy this trader. All right, so you must have that amount in your cTrader account. Okay, so because when you want to copy any trader, the money you allocate for that particular investment will be deducted from your cTrader balance and added to the pool, which is the investment pool, along with other traders investment. But you can always see this amount in your balance, and you can remove or stop copying the trader at any time you so desire. Okay, so now the next area to go is the performance fee. So the performance fee for this trader is 30%. So what that means is that this trader will take a fee of 30% of any profit it makes for you. So that is his own fee. And this money is usually deducted on the first of every month. All right. So when you copy any trader on this platform, on the first of every month, the fees will be deducted. That's the performance fee. Or if anytime you decide to uncopy the trader, then the system will automatically deduct the fee. But remember, this fee is only if the trader has made profit for you. So that is just it. So there are some traders, you see that their fee could range between 10%, 15%, 25%. So you need to just look out for the fee. But the maximum a trader can charge is 30% based on the system requirements. All right. And then this management fee, though not all traders do it, very few traders you just see they charge a management fee. So it's just a fee that they charge per annum, which is like per year. So this one is not common. From what I've seen on the platform, 99% of the traders on this platform, they only charge performance fee. So the management fee is not really, don't really bother yourself about that. Same with this volume fee, don't really bother yourself much about that. Okay, I'm just at the bottom here. Okay, and now you can see investors 102, meaning that 102 investors are copying the trade of this trader. An all-time copy simply means the total number of traders who have copied this trader, 319. So over time, some traders will copy, then they uncopy, then they copy again, they uncopy. So that is this number you are seeing here. And investors fund live, meaning that the investors who have committed their live money to this particular trader's strategy, total amount is $70,339. This should show you that this trader is a very profitable trader. And okay, now the next button here, start copying. Okay, I will explain this one, but let me just come to explain this description and issues. If I go up a bit, okay, if you click on this description here, it's just the general information that the trader mostly share about their strategy just for investors to read. Okay, so just the general information. You don't need to just bother much about this. So then this history here is just the history of the trade of this trader. So on this history page, you get to see all the trades that this trader has taken, the currency pairs and the lot sizes. So you can see, if you notice, this trader mostly trades on gold. Okay, from this history page, you get to see all the currency pairs that this trader trades on. Okay, so I've explained the basic information about the strategy for a particular trader. So now let's say we want to copy this trader. You simply just come here, just click on this start copying. All right. Okay, so this is the important page you need to pay attention to before you commit your money to copy any trader. Let's say I want to copy this trader. The minimum investment for this trader is $200. Let's say I want to use $250. Okay, I'll just do that there. Okay, so just enter the amount there. You can't go below the minimum investment. The system will not allow you. Okay, now so the performance fee 30%. All right, that's okay. So now you can see the information. All open positions of the strategy will be copied immediately open. That's normal. It's equity stop loss is equals to $50. I will explain this one once I copy. I'll just explain this one to you. So once every information is okay, just click on the start copying button. All right. So you can see you have successfully started copying ABC strategy. So what this means is that any future trades that this trader open, it will be reflected in my cTrader account. So this is my investor page for this particular trader. All right, and you can see equity 250, equity stop loss $50. All right, investment status started. Okay, and you can see now everything is still 0 0, nothing have occurred here. You can see my equity, everything is 0. So what I'll just simply do is that you can see, and if I scroll down, you can see last 90 days all trade. You can see everything is blank because I just started copying this trader. So let's say I want to do some adjustments. If you just come here, you can see it says add funds. So if you click on add funds here, meaning that I can decide to add more money to this particular investment I have with this trader. Already I have 250. So if you want to add more funds, just do that here. But if I don't want to do anything there, if you look at this menu button here, just click on this one at the bottom right hand side. So you can see the information that displays remove funds. So let's say I want to remove a part of the money I have with this trader. Let's say I want to commit some money to other traders I just saw. You can see the system says available to remove. I can remove $50 because the minimum for this trader is 200. So let's say I decide to remove, let's say $20. I've entered the amount there. Just click on remove funds. Okay, you can see funds removed. What that means is now that I have $230 for this particular investment I have with this trader. Okay, if I come back here, you can see now this one, equity stop loss. If I click on it, what this simply means is that based on the drawdown of this particular trading strategy, so the drawdown is just when the open trades are in losing positions, how low your equity drops before the trade goes to a profitable direction. So the default settings on the cTrader for your equity, what this means is that equity drops to $50. So if I am in a open trade and I'm already in a floating loss of minus 50, meaning that my equity drops from 230 minus 50. So if my equity drops below $180, then the trade stops and I stop copying this trader. So this is very important risk adjustment settings you want to do. So depending on your risk appetite, so that's the reason why you need to pay attention to the maximum account drawdown of the trader before you start copying them, which I showed you at the beginning. So because I chose this trader and from his performance, I saw that his drawdown is very low. So let me just adjust so you can simply adjust that with this slider here. You can just simply come here, just type the amount here. So let me just set it to 100, okay? Just set it to 100. So you must do this based on your own risk appetite, all right, and your money management. So once you are okay with it, just click on apply. All right, so equity stop loss for ABC has been set to the level of 100. All right, so guys, so this is just how you simply copy a trader. Okay, now let's say I don't want to copy this trader again. If I come back here now and I don't want to copy this trader, just simply click on this stop copying. All right, if I don't want to copy this trader again, just simply click on stop copying. But if you are in a open trade already, or if this trader has already started trading for you and he has made profit for you already, and the system has yet to deduct the performance fee because the month has not yet concluded, then the system will automatically deduct the fee that is meant to the trader at that moment you stop copying. But if you haven't done any trade with the trader, then you get your full equity back to your account. So if I want to stop copying this trader, just click on this stop copying button here. All right, you can see you have successfully stopped copying ABC strategy. All right, so if you want to restart copying, just simply click on restart copying again and just simply do the necessary copying settings before you copy the trader. Let me just restart copying the trader. Let's just see what can happen. Let me just put it there, 230. Okay, just restart copying. Okay, so let me just also adjust this one. Let me adjust this one, equity stop loss. Just make it 100. Okay, just apply. Okay guys, so you can see I'm still copying this trader. So now this is just how you simply copy and uncopy a trader on cTrader. So let me just go back. Okay, so you can see I'm back to the performance table page. You can see on this copy now, you can see I have one. Depending on the number of traders you copy, they will all be listed here. I hope you've gotten how to use the Deriv cTrader copy trading platform and how you can make money from it. Okay, now so what I want to do at this point is I want to know if you guys are interested in the Deriv cTrader copy platform so that I can do subsequent videos like this. So I want to copy one or two traders on the cTrader and just see the profit or the return I'll get over the course of time. Let's say 1 or 2 months. I'll be glad to share my experience with you on the channel. So, but I want to know if you guys are interested in this Deriv cTrader platform. So what I will ask is that you should just show me your interest. So you just simply, if you go to the comment section and just type Deriv cTrader. Okay, that will let me know if you are interested in knowing more about the cTrader. So after I've copied the traders and I see the results I get from copying their trades, within 1 month or 2 months, I'll just do another tutorial and just show you the profits or even the losses that they may have made for me after that period. So just go to the comment section and just type Deriv cTrader, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. So if you do, please like the video, share and comment, and then most importantly, please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. And when you subscribe, please click on the bell icon beside it so that YouTube is going to alert you whenever we post more videos like this in future. So thank you once again for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.